Evolution of Computer from First Generation till Date, presented by Sister Nivedita House. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which takes input from the users, processes it, and shows the required results. Next, we move on to the history of computer. We see that the advent of computer goes back to 3000 BC. It is still in growth, and in this period, the apparatus named abacus was used for calculation. This was the first calculating device of history. At the beginning of 19th century, Charles Babbage invented the modern digital computer. He developed an automatic calculating machine named difference engine. Now we move on to the generation of computers. The development of computer systems is normally discussed as the development over different generations. With the succession of different generations came the advancement in computer technology. The generations are as follows: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. The first generation of computer includes the period between 1940 to 1956, and it was developed by using vacuum tube and thermonic valve machine. The input of the system was based on punched cards and paper tape. However, the output was displayed on printouts. The first generation computers worked on binary code. And here we come to the second generation, which was the period between 1956 to 1963. These computers were developed by using transistor technology. In comparison to the first generation, the size of second generation was smaller. In comparison to computers of the first generation, the computing time taken by the computers of the second generation was lesser. Next, we come to the third generation of computers, which includes the period between 1963 to 1971. They were developed by using integrated circuit technology. In comparison to the computers of the second generation, the size of the computers of the third generation was smaller, and the computing time taken by the computers of the third generation was lesser. The third generation computer consumed less power and generates less heat, and the maintenance cost was also low. The computer system was easier for commercial use. And here comes the fourth generation of computers, which extended between the period of 1972 to 2010. The fourth generation computers were developed by using microprocessor technology. By coming to fourth generation, computer became very small in size, it became portable. The machine of the fourth generation started generating very low amounts of heat. It was much faster and accuracy became more reliable. The production cost reduced to very low in comparison to the previous generation. It became available for the common people as well. Now finally we come to the fifth generation of computer, which extended from 2010 to the present day. By the time the computer generation was being categorized on the basis of hardware only, but the fifth generation technology also included software. The computers of the fifth generation had high capability and large memory capacity. The period 2010 till date and beyond roughly considered as the fifth generation of computers. Working with computers of this generation was fast and multiple tasks could be performed simultaneously. Some of the popular advanced technologies of the fifth generation include artificial technology, quantum computation, nanotechnology, parallel processing, etc. Emphasis of computer in our daily life. Computer and its uses grew rapidly and widely throughout the world. They are used to deal with many tasks due to their various potential. It helps to resolve problems human life encounters in daily life. Therefore, they have more influence in our life. The impact of computer usage on our life obviously identified as saving of money, time, and effort. Within the last 3 decades, computer has been recognized as the most life-changing and successful invention solving problems in human life. Today, where business scatters, there you find applying computer usage. Look at educational sector, health, transportation and communication sector. We can see the influence and application of computer. It's difficult to survive a business without adopting computer usage either directly or indirectly in this modern world. Sister Nivedita House is thankful for watching.